Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell the results if I'm going to leave the squad or not. And also I really support you guys. You guys really support me. You guys are very nice, and shout out to you guys because you guys are amazing. But guys, good. I'm happy you're away from Ike, but that is Ike's not gonna be away because she's a team leader and she is nicer than Kayler. And I'm gonna tell you at the end or at the middle of the video if about our group. So right now, I just shout out to you guys, and the results of me leaving the squad or not is I am not leaving. But in the squad, someone is leaving, which is, I'll give you a guess. It's in here. Good. Okay, I'll tell you now. 3, 2, 1. It's Kayler. Yeah, you heard that, Kayler. I don't really understand why she's gonna leave, but she is pretty mean to me. I don't understand why. But Ike and Stacy really support me too. They're really nice, and yeah. But when I was sad that time, Stacy mostly supported me. So shout out to her too. Nothing?
And shout out to Gap Place for throwing hate at me.
Oh, okay. Well, okay, shout out to Gap Place too. I said shout out to everyone in this chat. Even you, because you're in the chat. Even me, because I'm in the chat. Okay. So guys, I said guys.
Hey guys.
Yeah?
And guys, when I was gonna surprise her with the Milky House, when she was mad, she went to my account, went to Blockberg and deleted the whole Milky House, and she didn't even know what it was.
Same. Yeah, that's the thing.
And she changed my avatar into an ugly troll.
Okay. So I promise you guys, the result, if I'm leaving or not, is at tomorrow. Yeah. Well, I think when you guys don't really, if you guys don't understand when I say, well, I think, that means I think I'm gonna leave or not. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
It's not the end of the video yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm playing Tarpel in your account, in your server, because I don't have a private server. Did you?
I hate you.
You're playing too?
No,
Oh,
it's Taylor.
I don't know. Mrs. Joy. Wait, it's Nelson. Well.
Nelson's fine. He isn't mean to us.
Yeah, he didn't do anything. Kayler's just shakalaka, shakalaka. I don't really want to tell the conversation about it, but yeah. Is it Nelson? Yep, it's Nelson. And I blocked it.
Lisa, I'm gonna give you copyright.
What? What is that?
I'm watching TikTok.
Really? By the way,
By the way,
guys.
follow me on TikTok, Imagine3457 or IQ2 Plays, whatever you want.
Okay, I was gonna say that, but I guess you said that.
Yep, I'm good at it.
You read my mind.
Yes, I did. Best friend telepathy.
Boom! Oh my gosh. No, it's just I fall. And by the way, guys, I did change my avatar again. Because I don't know why.
You changed your avatar like in the last video. You're like, I changed my avatar because I'm out of the group. I don't want to be in the group anymore.
What?
You said that.
Oh, okay. Where do I go now?
I'm doing my Halloween costume again that I spent 1 hour on that Lisa turned into an LP troll.
I wish I could do it on tape. That means it will look so ugly.
If you do that, I'm gonna kill you.
Wait, your Halloween costume is Charlie?
No, it's not. I had to change it to Charlie because I didn't want to look like a troll.
Oh. Just be a troll. Like Flamingo. I know you like Flamingo.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
But I like Flamingo more than you. But he's taken. And I don't like him.
I watched him for 2 years and you only watched him 1 month and you already like him?
That's all. As a fan, not like a love.
He has a girlfriend.
I know. I still have Shawn Mendes.
He's my bae.
Ah! What did you say?
He's my bae.
Now he's my bae. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm doing my Halloween costume again.
Again?
Yeah, because you changed it into an ugly troll.
Stop calling it ugly. It's pretty.
You make it green and you put the most ugliest face in my inventory. And you put a makeup shirt on, which has big lipstick and big eyes.
I can't stop laughing.
I think that's fake laughing for you. You're like,
What? By the way, Ike is Nelson out of the group.
I don't know, maybe we could just... He's not out of the group yet, because when he came over to my house, he, when you guys came over to my house, remember?
Yeah.
Remember when he changed it to his PJs?
Uh-huh.
He forgot his actual clothes and also his water bottle.
Then keep it. Just destroy it.
He has nothing to drink out of now.
He have his sisters, which is Kayla.
Ew, saliva sharing.
I share my saliva with my brother. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's disgusting.
I'm gonna spread a rumor on Twitter.
Everyone's gonna know now. But that's fake.
It's so pretty. Just kidding.
Yeah. This is Why?
You died?
Yes. In Halloween, I'm gonna be a cow.
In Halloween, I'm gonna be a Shadow Empress Queen.
Okay. What if there's a new set which is better than Shadow Empress and prettier than Shadow Empress? You just waste all your money just for the Shadow Empress?
Wait, Teresa, remember when there was like new heels in Royal High?
Which new heels?
The vampire heels or something? You bought it, right?
Which vampire heels?
Was it a dream?
What is? Oh, you dreamed?
No, the heels like the Dear Dolly, but like no rope.
What?
The black shoes, like with the red thing.
The Batmo heels?
No, not the Batmobile heels. No.
What do you mean? I have
It's like Dear Dolly, but with no ribbon.
Flutter, the butterfly. Okay, guys.
It's a dream. The dream. Am I dreaming? Oh my god!
I'm gonna be a chicken.
I crashed myself into a wall and
Maybe
I figured out it wasn't a dream.
Oh, well, dreams. Oh.
And Teresa went into my account and tried to steal my Robux, but likely she didn't. She doesn't know how to.
I don't know how to.
See why I didn't teach her.
Okay. I'm back to myself. I don't want to be a chicken anymore. I think I'm gonna have to end this video.
No, I'm about to join the game and you're like, I'm gonna end the video.
You know what? I'm gonna go to Halloween home stores. Halloween home store. I don't know how to spell. Hopefully I'm
She's
right.
13 years old, but she doesn't know how to spell.
Okay.
And by the way, guys, I'm not giving my YouTube account away because in the comments people are saying, do not do it, do not do it, do not do it. And I was like, I'm gonna do it, but like, they're like, don't do it.
I'ma do it, don't do it. I'ma do it, don't do it. What?
Don't do it, girl. It's not worth it.
It's
I'm not
not.
gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it.
I did it.
I did it. I love that trend. Even Charlie D'Amelio did it.
So guys, by the way, we're going to find some new some squad members to replace
And one of them is
Kayla
Hannah. Congratulations, Hannah and Lapierre.
and Lapierre. Hannah and Lapierre. If you
Hannah and Lapierre are replacing Nelson and Hayden.
yeah. Wait, how about Nelson's water bottle and his shirt?
I'll just tell him to bring a taxi to my house and then take it back.
Wow. Okay. This is very laggy. Oh.
It's not laggy.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, ooh. What did you just say? Ooh, ooh.
I got a disconnection. And it's almost.
Connection? Wow, that's the best connection.
Oh my gosh. It's almost Halloween. Wait. Okay, guys, I'm at this home store, and oh.
Hi, Teresa.
Oh, I'm eating it. Ah!
I'm gonna turn into guava juice.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh, look at this. He could be the dark cheerleader, and I could be the light cheerleader. Well, you
Guava
do not
juice.
look like guava juice. Sorry if I said it wrong. Guava juice. I don't know how to say